young with Earth only 12,000 years old. A microsecond in geological time. 600,000 gallons per second flow over these horseshoe falls, and that's a whole lot of water. The first person to go over the falls in a barrel and survive was a 63-year-old female schoolteacher. Look out, Grandma!
Motherfuckers on there real tight. Son of a bitch. Need a fucking wrench or something to open this mother. Shit. Ha ha ha.
Hello?
Son of a bitch. Alright, mother's open.
Come on, I tell you. I give you good job. This is good job for you. Excuse me?
Oh.
This interview's just for now. Other companies are going to go to the moon.
If that doesn't work out, we'll just keep driving around the country until we find something.
Look, your neighbor's a hooker.
That looks so cute. Hey, turn that thing off. It's turning on the car. What's wrong with you?
Nothing wrong with me. It's an interesting story, for Christ's sakes.
Story of the Lions, difficult life.
Yeah.
Easy, Brian. Easy, unbelievable. Here, come on.
No, thanks.
Be a dryer. Come on, come on.
I'm not hungry, Michael.
Oh, Evan. Come here.
I'm glad you're happy. Hey, Michael, we need to talk about Tokyo.
What about Tokyo?
It's just that I've never done anything like that before. You know, modeling and dancing.
You're gonna be great. Don't worry about it. Sit down. Sit down. I gotta tell you something, but I need to know that you're the kind of person
But you'd be big in Tokyo. Japanese men, they have a special appreciation for sexual arousal. And for a woman to be able to do what you did to a man like me,
A man like you?
man is not exactly starved for female companionship. Still working on it. Irons in the fire, and this gift that you have, this thing that you can do to men, it's a big deal. So I just keep thinking about ways that I can, put it out there. All right?
I guess, yeah.
Fantastic. All right. I gotta run.
I don't like that dog. She looks like pink.
Hey.
Okay. It's okay.